Hello there, welcome back. It's been almost 6 months since my last video, and in that time I managed to add last minute changes to the game's mechanics, completely abandoned a video script for this channel, and finally released the game on itch.io. No, for free. So how did the launch go? Well, the game needed a lot of fixes, so I began working on the I did this by creating a separate development map and testing a few mechanics for the new movement system. After dabbling around with a bunch of concepts, I eventually created a movement system that features new mechanics such as going prone, sliding down steep surfaces, new arm animations, better gunplay, and some new sound effects. I would also update much of the movement for the cavalry units as well. A lot of people had problems using the map view in the game, so I made this vastly better map view with improved UI and a faster method of selecting different soldiers on the battlefield. The hell? Editor Ducky here. This controversial pricing issue was retracted for older versions of Unity, so Unsung Heroes is completely unaffected by this. Editor Ducky here. The CEO of this dumb policy has been sacked. Editor Ducky here. Yeah, that's balls. With that out of the way, it was time for... Now the AI in the game was kind of dumb. You see, every game uses something called state trees when making AI. Basically, each state defines a certain behavior that the AI does, and the AI can transition between states based on certain inputs and environmental conditions. Normally, games can have 10, 100, or even 1,000 of these individual states. So how many do you think I? 3. Not my proudest moment there. So I made this diagram on how I wanted to make the states, and as you can see, it works by having commands trigger complex boring. Skip the nerd stuff, will ya? Anyway, so I've implemented half the AI states, somehow found the time to redo the museum map, and yeah, here we are. So where do we go from here? Well, I'm going to continue reworking the AI, making new infantry models, overhauling the graphics using a newer version of Unity and the HDRP render pipeline, and finally preparing the game for an early access release on Steam. If you want to help support the game, go ahead on itch.io and download the game for free. Leave your suggestions, bug reports, or any other criticisms on our community Discord server. The links to all these will be in the description below. And yeah, that's everything. How do I end these videos again? It's literally been like half a year.